I'm standing in front of a blue screen. It's actually my mother-in-law's duvet cover that I nicked from her before the lockdown because it's blue. However, I'm going to turn it into a journey into Spreadsheets. No, don't worry about that. I'm going to turn it into a journey beyond Spreadsheets. That's my mission. Spreadsheets are great. They're absolutely great. I love them. I've used them for many years, but they're not the best way to run your business process. That's why we built Flowlens. We could see that small manufacturers needed a way to have everything in one place. It took away the drudgery and monotony of manual work and put information at people's fingertips so they could get their job done, they could go home satisfied that they'd done a good job, and ultimately they had happier customers. And that's what we've done. So, how do you know what you need? Whether you're on the beach, over here, whether you're at home, out for a walk, playing Scrabble. Don't forget on Zoom you've got virtual whiteboards. I'm kind of interviewing myself here.